This is 7826 Bell Tower Lane in Fairburn, Georgia. This home is in a sidewalk community, a very well-established neighborhood in Fairburn, Georgia. It's got a 2-car automatic garage, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-story home, plenty of parking space, covered front porch. You walk into a 2-story foyer. We're going to go upstairs first. I'll show you. There's 4 bedrooms upstairs. At the top of the stairs, it's a wide hallway. If you take a right, at the very end of the hall is the laundry room. Plenty of room to take care of all your laundry needs. Bedroom number 1. All the bedrooms are large. This home is in great shape. Smells fresh and clean. There's a full bathroom at the end of this hallway to the other end. And bedroom number 2 and 3 are on this end of the hallway facing the front of the house. On the back side of the house, the master suite. It's a large room with vaulted ceilings. Ceiling fan, lots of windows. Master bathroom has double vanity. Private room for the toilet. Walk-in closet. Separate shower. And a big garden tub. This is the master suite. That's 4 bedrooms on the upstairs level, including a master suite, 2 full bathrooms, some closets. There's pull-down attic stairs. And the laundry room is also located on the upstairs level. Take you downstairs now and show you the rest of the house. As soon as you walk in the foyer and the front door, to the right is a formal dining room. Just past the formal dining room on the front of the house, coming from the foyer on the right is a half bath. Across the hallway from the half bath there is a closet underneath the stairs and the entrance to the 2-car garage. If you keep going straight towards the back of the house, the kitchen is located on the back side next to the breakfast area and the family room. The kitchen is well equipped with a dishwasher, range oven, and refrigerator already installed and ready to go. It's also got a garbage disposal. There's a large pantry, double door pantry. There's an office space in the breakfast area. There's a desk already set up for some workspace. And the family room is also on the back side of the house. There is a fireplace in the center of the room, gas starter, and a ceiling fan as well in this room. This home is ready to move in. If you'd like more information on how you can get a application and fill one out for this home, rentfrombravo.com is where you'll get all the information. It's rentfrombravo.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.